Hello MacroHeart family, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about another decentralized stablecoin protocol, and this is known as ANGLE protocol. So as we know that a stablecoin is a derivative such that if you deposit $1 you get one stablecoin, and the other way also holds, that is if you deposit one stablecoin you get back $1. So in order to understand how ANGLE stablecoins work, let's take an example. Suppose you want to mint $1,000 worth of ANGLE stablecoins. Then you deposit approximately $1,000 worth of Ethereum, and then in exchange you get the stablecoins. Now there is no liability on you to return back these stablecoins as there is in MakerDAO. But now the question is that how does a protocol ensures that the reserves have enough collateral to back the amount of stablecoins that have been minted? So in this case, $1,000 worth of Ethereum is in the collateral, whereas 1,000 stablecoins have been minted. So what will happen if the price of Ethereum, let us say, falls by a factor of 2? Then the collateral's value will be $500, whereas the amount of stablecoins that are minted is $1,000. So in order to ensure that at every point the reserves are over collateralized, there are a set of agents known as hedging agents. Now hedging agents provide additional collateral so that the reserves are always over collateralized. So for example, Alice comes and she becomes a hedging agent, and for the $1,000 worth of Ethereum that I provided, Alice provides another $1,000 worth of Ethereum. So now for the $1,000 of stablecoins that were minted, there are $2,000 worth of Ethereum in the reserves. But the question is, why would Alice do this? So the answer is that by doing this, Alice has opened a perpetual position with the leverage of 2x, which means that if in future the price of Ethereum doubles, then Alice will get the profit of her own Ethereum which she deposited and the Ethereum which I deposited in order to mint the stablecoins. So Alice gets 4x gains when the price of Ethereum just went up by 2x, and in general Alice will get a leverage of 2x on her gains. But there is one problem still here, which is that now for $1,000 of stablecoins there are $2,000 worth of Ethereum. What if the price of Ethereum falls even more than a factor of 2x? Then the value of collateral will be less than $1,000. So in this case, another set of agents known as standard liquidity providers come in. So again, let us assume that the price of Ethereum falls by a factor of 3x and the value of collateral becomes around $700. So in this case, Bob comes as a standard liquidity provider and he provides additional $300 worth of Ethereum so that now the collateral's value become $1,000. But again the question is, why would Bob do this? Now since Bob is taking a small risk, because it is very rare that the whole collateral value, even after Alice provides her assets, will drop to less than the amount that has been minted. So therefore Bob doesn't get a very high reward, but he gets a decent reward. And the reward for Bob is that he gets to collect all the interest that is earned on the collateral that is backing the stablecoins. So this is how Alice is taking high risk and she is getting high rewards in the form of leverage, whereas Bob is taking a low risk and he is getting low rewards or decent rewards in the form of interest rates earned on the collateral. And this is how the ANGLE decentralized stablecoin works. So that was all for ANGLE stablecoin. If you find this video interesting, then subscribe to MacroHeart and become part of the community where we are building the next economy. So see you all guys tomorrow, and until then, bye bye.